So welcome back. Long time no vlog. You guys have no idea. It's been like 3 weeks since I've been pick up my camera, my phone, whatever. I really haven't been inspired whatsoever. I even did a video, basically kind of quitting. Obviously, it's still up here, just not live. So, but not really quitting. I just can't tell you guys kind of how I feel, but decided just not to post it. So I'm gonna give you guys this vlog. We did go to Target yesterday and picked up some things. We were supposed to go to Aldi today, but we ended up not going. And then we went to Target and we went to Costco just to pick up some things. My husband does work tomorrow. Hope you guys have a really good Halloween and I did all the fun fall stuff. I am ready to switch up this room already and put all the Christmas decor up. I have been ready. So yeah, let me just quickly show you guys what we picked up at Target and Costco. I hope I'm even in frame. But we picked up these. You guys know we use these all the time. Antibacterial hand wipes. If you have a toddler, you need it. I also picked up this Fine as a Fleek glitter eyeshadow from Elf in Champagne. Champagne Showers. I've been wanting to try this out. I really wanted to pick up two other shades, but I'd say let me just pick up the one that's a little bit more of the natural side to see how I like it, and I might pick up more. I think they're supposed to be dupes to the Urban Decay like Cowboy. I love those eyeshadows, really glittery eyeshadows. I'm gonna pick up some more snack stuff. So we got lightly salted pistachios. We also picked up some white cheddar. They don't mix. My husband picked this one out. And then we also picked out this one because it looked amazing, which is Tex-Mix with spicy peanuts, almonds. It looked really good, so we got this one as well. So I actually made some oatmeal chocolate chip cookies the other day and they came out bomb. I didn't film it, but I did pick up some more whole grain old-fashioned oats. I had some, but I feel like they expired. I actually don't even know for sure, but I picked some more up. They're pretty affordable, so I bought some of that. I needed some more sandwiches, Ziploc bags for my husband's lunch that I'm about to make in a little bit. We needed some stuff to make sandwiches, so my husband picked up cheese, more cheese, and then he got oven roasted turkey breast and uncured black frosted ham. So we got that, and I think that's all we got at Target. It was a quick little run, and then at Costco we got some eggs. We got 2 things of water. And then we did get my pancake mix that we've been using. Been loving it. So we actually needed another one already. We got some bread. Apples. Hope you guys can hear me. We got some maple syrup. And then we also got some strawberries. We actually bought strawberries yesterday too, but we got some strawberries. So that is all we picked up today. I did get a box right now from Petunia Pickle Bottle, which I'm about to open. But let me clean this up and put it away first. Getting ready for bed, and then I noticed I didn't even show you guys a haul of what I got. Oh my god, is that a horrible angle? Did you guys even see my face? Anyways, if you watched my last video, you guys saw that I got the Nightmare Before Christmas collection. And then let me show you the other collection that I just got. I'm not sure if I'm going to do a full video on it. It might be the next one you guys see. Again, not 100% sure, but let me go ahead and show you what it looks like. Alright, so this is the newest Star Wars collection for Petunia Pickle Bottom. I ended up getting a, so I was gifted that from Petunia. So grateful for it. It's so beautiful. My favorite style bag. You guys know it's the Method. And then I purchased a bundle, and it came with the big cooler pixel, the mini for my daughter. She's actually been loving her minis, so had to get that. And then you guys know I absolutely love my slings. So we also came with this sling. I'm kind of sad that it cut off here and here. but I have a full one basically here, and his head is up here, so it's okay. I'm not a huge, like, I don't really care like that. It doesn't bother me like a lot of other people, but yeah, it came with this, and then it also came with packing cubes that I actually don't own yet from Petunia till now. Let me see if I can get it out. Doing things with one hand is so hard. Packing cubes. So it comes with 2 of this size, and then it comes with a really big one as well, which I'm excited to have in my collection, to kind of, you know, put bigger stuff in, basically. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take off my face and get ready for the night. My munchkin is sneaking into the room right now. Yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please leave this emoji right here if you're still watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.